Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 17 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $10,000 in the first year of investing. Right now, our current portfolio is up 12.9%, up to $6,764 all time. And portfolio is looking great recently. There's been a little bit of volatility in the markets recently. It's been a little bit down, a little bit up. What we're going to do as the market's down a little bit, I want to invest in one of our main ETFs. So as we scroll down here, I'm just going to enter into two positions into ticker symbol VFV. This follows the Vanguard S&P 500 index, which is the U.S. stock market overall. So it's a very considerate play. I'm currently holding about 14% of my portfolio into this. There's a 1% yield, but I'm looking more at the growth of this stock over time. So as we can see, I'm going to buy 2 shares of this. Confirm order. Good, that went through. And the other stock I'm going to be investing in today is VRE. I believe I invested in this stock about a week or 2 episodes ago. It follows a REIT index, so investing kind of in the real estate market. So because we have $60 left, I'm just going to buy 1 share of this for this week. And that will be our buys for this week. So thank you guys for tuning in. Just a couple quick buys. Again, just to recap, 2 shares of VFV and 1 of VRE. Our portfolios, again, sitting at about 12% at $6,763. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, concerns, leave them in the comments. If you have not yet signed up with Wealthsimple Trade, there's a link in the description for you to do so, and you get 2 free stocks if you sign up with the code below. Hope you guys have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye.